Holy camole. Look at the difference in my lashes. These are completely 100% my lashes. I got so many questions the other day about what mascara I use, so let me show you. All right, first things first, I have to curl my lashes. My lashes just can't go without it. Then I take this MAC False Lashes Maximizer. I put it on, it's like a primer for your lashes before mascara that makes it just like super thick and long. I'll show you. Okay, so it goes on like this white color. It's kind of scary, but trust the process. Once this dries down, we'll apply the mascara on top. I like to put this on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, I know this isn't the most flattering angle for me, but I don't care. I want you to see up close how this looks. We'll give this about 5 minutes to dry and then we'll reach for the mascara. Okay, the primer is dried down, so now I'm grabbing this MAC Stack mascara and gonna start running this through. I should say that they have like a regular one and then like a micro MAC Stack mascara. I personally like the micro better. I just like a smaller mascara brush. Okay, this is one coat of the mascara so far. Let's do the bottom lashes. I mean, to be honest, my lashes are already kind of long because I use a lash serum, but holy cow, that's a lot of lash.